Yeah, hi, this is Vivek, and today we are starting new session on the multiple ways to assign the value to the cells, right? So, and the last lecture I covered our topics: merging cell, applying pattern cell, adding the borders to the cells, and setting the cell alignment. I left this one because of video was getting long. So let's start now without wasting time. Okay, so first step from open Let's input what workbook, right? Workbook, right? Workbook. Fine. From open by Excel input workbook. Okay. Syntax. What is that? Okay. Fine. Next, we will make workbook. The W be equal to workbook. We made Excel file here. Setting the sheet. So WB dot activate. We activated sheet, right? And the title of this sheet is WB title equal to multiple 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 ways fill the cell. Okay, fine. Nice. Next, WS, the first way to fill them. Okay, so WS equal to A1 equal to, so you can give any name. Next, WS equal to 25 and WS P2 equal to, we say, data science, right? So this is the first way. Just directly we are passing the cells address, right? A1, B2, C2. Fine. The second way, we need to be using the dot value attribute, right? So how we do this? WS dot A3 A2 equal to, we can get Bob. This is the name. We can say Rajesh. Okay, we can take Rajesh. Second, WS P A1. So we can get this. Let's change the address. So data will be the good. We say A2 B2 C2 from cell address A2 B2 or C2. Okay. Now this is P3 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 and the price is 26, right? And WS P3 equal to, you can say, department HR, right? Because we are using the dot value address, right? So what we need to do, we can get dot dot value dot value dot value, right? So this is the first way you can write, you can fill the cells like this way. This is the second way. We can use the dot value attribute to fill the cells details, and last one is a loop. We will loop, and we will loop, right? So let's do columns. We make list columns equal to list. We can give name and days. The last one is a department, right? So right, and what we will do, we will use for loop for columns, we say call num, right? Second, call name in enumerate, and enumerate we give columns for, we pass this dictionary here, dictionary and one. Okay, so I think so everyone is confused here. What is the I have written? Okay, so enumerate, let's understand the enumerate first, right? Then we will start further looking, right? So enumeration basically enumeration basically used give the index plus value, right? Index plus value. This is okay. Let's see one example here. For let's make this is the column, right? Column. Okay, so for call columns print call. Okay, this here and second period. Let's see example in second line. So next line, and we copy text here, right? Okay, let's print call. Okay, this is basically giving the age, name, age or department, right? Simply, but you don't get the position index here. So what I will do here, I will use enumerate. Okay, so for call num and column call name in enumerate columns to pass the dictionary here. Dictionary, and we will give the index 1. So basically indexing will start from 1. If we will give 0, then indexing will start from 0. So we will start from 1 and print column and column name. Okay, fine. Let's print now. So you can see index is printed and name, index 2, age, and index 3 and department. So basically we will use this logic here to fill the Excel details, right? So let's go now. I hope you know that this one is clear, right? Okay, fine. So let's start. Columns columns. Okay, fine. Then for call name, this potential, then ws dot cell. Then we will go row equal to 1, column column equal to column we are taking from here column. Okay, column. Okay, fine. The call name. Then next parameter we will pass for value. Value equal to, we will take column name, right? So let's first understand this logic, what it is doing. So ws dot cell. Okay, so this is taking the cell address. So row equal to 1 means first row of the Excel. Column num means column num. This will take 1 from here. So this is the column num of 1, and this is the value. This is the value for column name. So column name will value come from this portion. Name, age, department, like that. Fine. So hope so. Let's save the file and see the result, and I think this will be clear. This will be more clear, right? Okay. So wb dot save, and path I'm just passing to make path a string, and let's take path from here. Automate access 30, right? So and file name we will give multiple ways to cell. Okay, dot we will pass extension of Excel. Okay, let's execute. Okay, workbook has no option to activate, right? So whatever is the mistake we did, this will not activate. This is active. We did a spell error here. Okay, let's execute again. Fine, and again. Okay, now this is executed successfully. File is saved here. Let's see, right? Yeah, fine. So you can see department name is department right here, and this is the entry. This came from the showing the code, then you will be able to understand, right? A2 equal to Vivek, A equal to Vivek. So this is A, and this is the cell address A2, right? So this is the Vivek, and B2 equal to 25. So B2 equal to 25. So B2 equal to 25, and C2 equal to data science. This is the department, right? Next using the dot value attribute, W3 equal to Rajesh, W3 equal to Rajesh, W3 V3 equal to 26, and C3 equal to the HR, right? And last one what I'm doing here. So column is departments loop. We are running the loop. So this is the columns name is department. So for the columns, column name and dot enumerate columns, we are starting indexing from 1, then we are giving address to here w dot cell. So this is the third way to write the cell. So when we automate the Excel file, so we rarely use these techniques, right? Mostly we will use this technique here, right? So that's why I'm showing here. So now I think so everything's clear now. If you like this stuff, then you can hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much. So this is the output of this code. Fine. Okay. I hope all the necessary things I have covered in last 4 or 5 videos of the OpenPyXL. In the next video, I'm going to cover the project. That will be the from end-to-end project, and it will be the wide, and it may be the 1 hour or 2 hour, maybe it may take. But I'm going to make that project very professional project. It will help you in your corporate world, right? So let's let's do in the next video. And thank you very much.